So what's going on, guys? This is Uche Njoku, principal here at MS224, Exploration and Discovery, and it is Saturday school. So I just want to quickly document for you what we're doing here on Saturdays. We have several kids here, 6 to 8, who are here working with their teachers, specifically around math and ELA skills. Um, we're not a test prep school. We're a skills-based school focused on developing those skills so that our kids are successful, not just on state exams, but also in everything they do across all core content areas. So you're gonna see some footage of kids taking their mid Saturday school assessments, and then not only that, some kids engaged in classrooms actually working on specific skills. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we're gonna be doing more videos like this over the course of the rest of the school year. All right, be well.
Here at Saturday School, one of our main focus is getting our students ready for the math state exam. Currently, our proficiency is not where it's supposed to be. A lot of our students are lacking the prerequisite skills that is needed for them to sit the exam. With Saturday School, we have realized that students are now developing the stamina to successfully sit the state exam, and their academic scores are actually going up. Teachers also have the opportunity to tweak what they have done with students on Saturday and turnkey that information during the regular school day throughout the week.
So today at Exploration and Discovery, we have our students taking their mid-assessments. We're currently in our 6th session of Saturday Academy, and so it's really important that we as the teachers and the students have an opportunity to see the progress that they've made through those six Saturday sessions. The first time they came, we did an initial assessment, a diagnostic to see where they are, determine their skills, and then from that the curriculum was created. And now we're doing just a middle one just to see progress. And as educators, we're going to take that, we're going to look at it, see our areas of growth, see what we perform really well on, and then use that to not only decide Saturday Academy, but also inform daily instruction.
So, what's your name?
Miley.
And what grade are you in?
I'm in 7th grade.
So tell me about Saturday school and how this is your experience and how you can tell.
I actually like Saturday school because it's helping me improve in like math and stuff, especially math, because I'm not that good at math. But he's like showing us step by step, and like he's breaking it down because it's usually harder to do it in class because it's such a big group. So in Saturday school, he helps me break it down and learn all the steps. And in ELA, she's helping us prepare for the exams and like breaking each step down so that we can answer the questions and make sure we get it right. And I actually really like it.
I'm a school counselor. I have never experienced Saturday school actually in this building, and this is my first time experiencing it. And throughout this time, I've noticed that the kids have become more confident since they've been coming to Saturday school. The students that come, they go into the class, they're more engaged in their work because they feel more confident in what they're doing. So a lot of my students struggle in ELA and math because of vocabulary and because the math skills weren't as strong. But now they've been coming to Saturday school, they've shown big strides in their improvement on what they do. So confidence building is a big thing, and Saturday school provides that because they're getting the stamina to build into the classroom during the week.